Okay, let's talk about transforming your workday. What if you had this brilliant new colleague, one who's always there when you need them? Well, that's what we're diving into today. We're going to show you how to turn ChatGPT into your very own personal AI assistant, seriously boosting your productivity and, yeah, even your creativity at work.
Seriously, just think about it for a second. An assistant that can draft those tricky emails, help you write code, crunch some data, or even just brainstorm with you. Anytime, day or night, this isn't some far off sci fi dream anymore. It's real, and we're going to break it all down right now.
All right, so what is ChatGPT really? Well, at its heart, it's basically an AI partner. You just talk to it in plain, normal language, no weird commands, and it helps you solve problems, write stuff, and think through those really tough challenges. It's kind of like having a super smart collaborator on standby, ready to boost your own skills. Okay, so how does this whole thing work? What's the magic behind the curtain? It's something called a large language model, or LLM for short. Just imagine an AI that has read, well, basically the entire internet, a massive, massive library of text and data. Because of all that training, it can understand what you're asking, predict what words should come next, and generate responses that sound incredibly human.
So why is this such a big deal for your job? I mean, really, what makes it so useful? It really boils down to two key things. It saves you a ton of time, and it's super easy to use. I'm talking about shaving hours off of writing first drafts, coding, or analyzing data. And the best part? You don't need to be some tech wizard. You just talk to it. Plus, it can handle all sorts of files, text, images, PDFs, you name it. And, super important for work, it's secure. Enterprise chats are encrypted, so your company's data stays safe.
All right, convinced yet? I thought so. The good news is getting started is super, super simple. So let's walk through the first few steps to get you up and running with your new AI work partner. Seriously, logging in for the first time is a piece of cake. Your organization will send you an invite. Just accept it, sign in with your normal work SSO, the one you use for everything else, and you're in. Just one pro tip. Make sure you keep your work and personal accounts separate. That way, all your professional stuff stays secure right where it belongs. Okay, once you're in, you'll see a nice, clean chat window. It's just waiting for your first prompt. And a prompt is just a fancy word for your question or your instruction. You type it in, hit enter, and get a response. But here's where the real magic happens. It's a conversation. You can ask follow-up questions, tell it to change things, and just keep refining the answer until it's exactly what you need. Staring at that blank box and not sure what to ask first? Happens to everyone. Here's a perfect starter prompt for you. Literally, just copy this. You just fill in your company name and your job role. What this does is incredible. It immediately makes ChatGPT all about you and your job. It'll give you a personalized list of the best ways you can use it. This is hands down the fastest way to see just how valuable this tool can be.
Okay, so you've got the basics down. You know how to start a chat. Now let's kick things up a notch. We're going to unlock its real power and see how you can weave ChatGPT right into your daily workflow. So one of the coolest things about the latest models, like GPT-5, is that they have different ways of thinking. You've got a fast mode, which is perfect for when you need a quick answer right now. Bam, instant response. But then you've got this thinking mode. When you throw a really complex problem at it, it takes its time and applies deeper reasoning. It's way more thoughtful. It's all about matching the tool's brain power to the job at hand. And look, this table here, this is just scratching the surface. Just imagine for a second. You're in marketing, and you need to analyze what your competitors are up to. Done. Or maybe you're in sales, and you've got 5 minutes before a big call, and you need a summary of a dense report. Done. See? It's not just some generic tool. It becomes a specialist, custom-built for whatever role you're in. All right, this next part is where things get really good. This is how you go from using a cool tool to having a true personal assistant. We're going to talk about how you can actually train ChatGPT to know you, your work, and your preferences. First up, there's a feature called memory, and it's exactly what it sounds like. You can just tell ChatGPT to remember stuff about you or your work. And this is a total game changer because you don't have to repeat yourself over and over. You could say something like, hey, remember my main project is Project Phoenix and the deadline is next Friday. From then on, it just knows. It makes every single answer it gives you that much more relevant and useful.
Then we have custom instructions. Now, this is a little different from memory. Think of these as the ground rules for every conversation you have. This is where you tell it about yourself and how you want it to act. For example, you could say, I'm a junior software engineer, so explain technical concepts to me simply. Or, always give me the answer in a table format. This way, right from the very first message, it's already speaking your language and giving you answers in the style you prefer. It's a huge time saver. And of course, the most important part of all this personalization is that you are in the driver's seat. You're always in control. You can go into the settings anytime you want to see what it remembers, you can edit things, or you can just delete it all and start fresh. It's completely up to you. So there you have it. We've gone from logging in for the first time all the way to creating a truly personalized AI assistant that knows you and your work. You literally have the keys now to a tool that can fundamentally change how you work, how you think, and what you create.
You've officially met your new AI assistant. It's ready to go. It's ready to learn from you, adapt to your style, and help you crush your goals. So there's really only one question left. What are you going to build together?